Hello friends, this is my ring, this is my eyes, this is my brothers, this is my goggle, this is my cheek, this is my finger, this is my nose, this is my notebook, this is my water bottle, this is a compass box, this is my teeth, this is my thumb, this is my ring finger. This is my scale. This is my class. This is my teacher. This is my textbook. This is my card. This is my scarf. This is my best friend. This is my nice pen. This is my true friends. This is my elbow. This is my keychain. This is my money. This is my bag. This is my shoulder. This is my school bag. This is my blue pen. This is my pencil. This is my hand. This is my arm. This is my pocket. This is my shirt. This is my ear. This is my comb.
Thank you.